Hey there, guys. Sometimes at the market we talk to you about refreshing your candles. This is a 3x4 poured pillar that we've had made for a while, and you can see it's got a lot of white patina on it. It doesn't harm the candle. You can leave it on there. Some people love it. It's definitely a sign that it's 100% beeswax. But if you want to freshen that up, you just take a candle, you take a hair dryer, and I'm going to show you how to freshen this up real quick. You get the candle close, but not too close to the candle, a little warm, and just take your time. Once it starts going, you'll note, oh, there it goes. Look at that. Wow. You're going to see how this really takes a nice shine once I lighten this up. Once again, the whole goal is to take the patina off, but not to melt the candle. All right, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to show you what you can do. Now that you've got that there, you take a nice clean rag, a microfiber cloth, and just wipe it right off. Wow, what a difference. That's how you freshen up a candle.